Swimming pool painting today, power washed and painting a swimming pool where people get in and cool themselves off on the hot weather. It's springtime, but summertime is near, and a lot of people are going to be in here having a lot of having a nice time. And there's a lot of events that are going to be going on in this wonderful house up in Willow Grove. Beautiful house, mashallah. Everyone around here has swimming pools. This is one Aaron's Painting and Power Washing Handyman Service. This is what we do. This is another service we provide. Get your pools done. Get them clean. Get them ready for the upcoming events. So you all can have a nice time. You know I like saying that. Someone said I sound like Barack Obama. I'm not never trying to be no one else and make a name for myself. I am me. I am who I am. Get your pools done so you can have a nice time. Assalamu alaikum to Allah wa barakatuh.